This 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-Class 3950BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 9, oven, skylight, stove-top burner, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, leveling jacks, slide-out, Colorado detector, external shower, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-Class 3950BH is 14,054 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.